So there's a local guy to me who has this trailer here, and he does like blow up party rental stuff. He rolls the blow ups up on this with a two-wheeler, but he has a problem with every time he hits this edge here, he breaks casters off of his dollies. So I'm gonna help him out and do some work for him. He bought these plates. I'm gonna help make that angle way more manageable. Bring this down here, flush it up with the edge on each side over there, make some triangle gussets over there to strengthen it up, and weld it up. He's gonna paint it and make it look nice himself, but he doesn't have a welder, so he wants me to weld it and fabricate everything for him. So I'm gonna jump on this. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I don't really think so. It's pretty straightforward, but we'll see how she goes. I think that should do the trick for him. I'll weld it up solid, gussets. She ain't going nowhere. He asked for 3 gussets, but I went with 4 because of how the metal went together. The metal that he supplied me with, because he had 3 24-inch pieces, and these are 3-foot gates. So there's a 2 and then a 1-foot section. So I added a gusset directly under that seam where the 2 plates met together, and then I figured I'll just add a 4th one. So pretty solid, I think. Not the prettiest welds. I had an issue with my welder, but I got it fixed, and it should hold for him. He's not doing anything nutso with it, but it's solid. It's not going anywhere. And I sent him pictures. He's already pretty happy with it. So, yep, that's another quick 5.5 hour project. Not too bad. I gave her an old squirt of the matte black on there. She's gonna match up the rest of the trailer just fine, I think. Don't usually do work for other people, but this guy met me at a car show. We said, hey, do you have a welder? Do you mind helping me out? He's in town. Seemed like a nice guy, so I said, sure, why not? Let's take a look at what you got, and this kind of job seems right up my alley, so I helped him out on it. He's gonna help me out on it. Pay me a little bit of money. Not really crazy. Not what a fab shop would charge, but just enough to be worth my time and my meager skills, you know. So that's gonna put a wrap on this one here. Random video, but I figured I should throw up a camera and let you see what I'm working on. What could it hurt, right? Alright, cool. Thanks for watching, guys.